Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. Today, we have a very special guest.
Hi, Mom.
And that is Shumile Swift. And if you're not a subscriber of Shumile, be sure to do that.
Be sure you subscribe.
And we'll put a link in the description for you. So Shumile's got these amazing looking wing carbon fiber mirror caps from ProAutomotion.com. And I think my car needs some carbon fiber love. So today what we're going to do is Pro Automotion has both styles. They have the standard style, and then they have the M style, which has this nice little wing. Since he has these, I'd love to see what these look like in comparison to these. So what we're going to do is we are going to install the standard ones on my car. Again, they are full carbon fiber, and we're gonna check out his car and my car and show you the difference. So let's get started.
Let's do it. Okay, so step one is obviously to tilt the side view mirror up, because that's the only way you can really get access to the point with the trim tool. So that is what Brian is doing right now.
Okay, so you can see we have it rocked all the way up.
Yep.
And again, the main reason that we want to take this glass off is because on the back of this blue, there are these different clips here. And if you just rip it off or use a credit card, a lot of times they break. And we don't want that to happen. We want to keep it nice. So what you need to do is take your wide trim tool, just go under here, just ever so slightly. And then you just want to hear it pop that first. And then once you get the first off, it's going to be significantly easier. Just work your way around. Just try not to break the glass.
There you go. I want to be extra careful with that.
All right, so now that we have the mirror off, there are 3 clips we need to undo. There's 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. The way that this works, you just pinch them together and then pull outward, and that'll pop. Sometimes you'll get lucky, like I did with this one, and the middle one's popped when this one popped down there. So then I'm just left to pinch these right here. Okay, gracefully pull it off.
Yep.
And we have all of our clips intact.
Awesome. It helps to use the new carbon fiber mirror to use the clips as reference, because sometimes it's really hard to see in here, but there's only 3 spots right here, and it's good to use this as reference because sometimes you really just cannot see them.
All right, so now we have our new mirror cap, and all you need to do is line up the holes and then just clip it in place.
Voila.
And you're good to go.
That's probably the easiest part, or maybe putting the mirror back on.
Oh yeah, the mirror, I forgot about that.
No, just let it hang, change lanes.
That's nice.
I dare you.
For the mirror, you have to remember that it is on a slant. Yep. So you just clip it in.
Yep.
And you're good to go.
And then you can go ahead and press the memory button, and it'll go right back down where it belongs.
Perfect.
Sweet. All right, so as you can see, this one has that little design where it's going over the mirror, and this one has this pretty much the same design as the stock one, just carbon fiber. A lot of people aren't a huge fan of putting the M3 style ones on a non-M car. A lot of people weren't a huge fan that I did that. So this is a good alternative route to do. It doesn't look that bad. It actually looks, in my opinion, it actually looks a little bit better than mine. Let us know what you think down below in the comments, what you think looks better. This is how it looks when you see it from back behind it. You can see it's pretty much the same thing as the OEM one, just carbon fiber, and then this one is the same thing as the M3 one, just a little bit different design. Obviously it's to each their own. They can pick whatever they want, whichever one looks better to them. Fitment wise, these things are perfect. It literally takes under 2 minutes to install them. If it's your first time, obviously it'll take a little bit longer, especially when you're not filming. It makes it a lot easier. But what do you think? How do you think they look on your car since you got them on now?
I think they look great. Just looking at this and this, I do like this style. I like both styles. I mean, both styles, I can't complain about both. I think I want to leave these on my car for a while. This is what
I have right now.
The other ones right now. So they do have this nice slip, but I don't know, I like this. It's clean and it's very subtle. I'm all about being subtle.
Yep.
Even though my car's...
And it also matches your trunk lip, which is also carbon fiber, so it gives it a nice little contrast. Go ahead and look at the left mirror without the carbon fiber, and then the right one with carbon fiber. As you can see, it looks a lot more sporty and aggressive with the carbon fiber. In my opinion, I think it looks sweet. I think you should definitely rock the one you got on there right now. And turn off your lights, man. Your battery's gonna die.
Hey, we had to put the mirror down.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Look at this car, man. It looks so good. Sheesh. So guys, I'm gonna start a GoFundMe to help me change my car to Storo Blue. Please send help. Send help.
Again, this is Brian and this is Swift. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. As always, be sure to give us a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to this guy over here.
Please subscribe, I need help.
And also Kies Motorsports.
Oh, subscribe to me. I have a 328i and it's awesome.
We can share. We can
No.
share subscribers.
No. You need some coilovers, bro. You need to get a little lower. It's gonna look sick.
And if you are interested in carbon fiber mirror caps, in M Sport conversion, if you're interested in grills or other body parts or aerodynamic awesomeness, be sure to check out ProAutomotion.com, and we have a coupon code for you in the description below. Again, this is Bryan.
This is Shumile Swift. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace out. Take care. Later.